In this lecture, we're going to show how we can convert a view to a sketch or block. So here we have some standard views, front, top, and isometric views. So we can click on this view and we can position this view wherever we want. So if we click on this view, here we have view properties, drawing view tree. And now we want to convert this view into sketch. So we can right click on this view, and down here we have convert view to sketch. So let's select this. Now here on the left side we have three options. So here on the left side we have three options. We have replace view with sketch, replace view with block, and insert as a block. So first let's go replace view with sketch. Let's click OK. And now conversion is done, and nothing changed except for appearance. So if we click here, we can also drag this wherever we want. But if we get closer, if we go with the mouse here, and if we go to this point, let's click on this point and let's try to drag this point, you can see that you can drag those lines. So this is not a view anymore, this is sketch. Because when you have a view, we can't drag those lines. So if we go back, like this, if we go here to this point, we see that we can stretch those lines, because this is view. Let's go right click again. Now let's go to convert view to sketch. Let's go with replace view with block. Let's click OK. So we have different appearance, but everything is the same. If we click here, we can drag this model, as you can see. But now if we click on this model, we see here we don't have drawing view. This is block 1. So this is not a view anymore, this is only a block. As well, if we go to this point, we see that we can stretch those lines because this is not a sketch. Now let's go back again. Let's right click again. Let's go with convert view to sketch. And now let's go insert as a block. Let's click OK. And now we can put a block here. We can put a one block. We can put second block. We can put as many blocks as we want. Let's go with OK. And now if we click here, we see this is drawing view. This one, but those one are not drawing views, those are a block. So if we click here, we can see this is block 2. If we click on this one, we can see also this is block 2. So those are not views and sketches, those are our blocks. And this one is a view. So this is how you can convert view to sketch and to block.